is Abraham Momo Makafi, First People Student of the University of Mine. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to use Autopsy, cybersecurity tool to analyze a local hard drive. So go to our start. So we are going to launch Autopsy. So here we type AU, that's, that's it right there. So we are going to run Autopsy as an administrator. So we click on run as an administrator. It gives us an option that we want to run and click on here. So here we are going to be creating a new page from our analysis using Autopsy. So we click on the new case. So we give it a case name. Let's say 20 by 1. So this is the name we are going to be giving our case. Case is going to be stored in drive C. We just this okay, this is the part of the case. And the case type is going to be single user, the only person to analyze this case. Yeah. So click on next. So we give it a case number. Case number is going to be 2025, 1 as usual. So in this box, we provide our name, canvas name, from property, telephone number, email address. And go ahead and give it a note, but I'm going to leave it empty. So I click on finish. So it's creating a database for me where our files are going to be stored and using the. So this is going to take a few minutes. So we just have to wait for the load and we proceed. So right now, what is happening is that Autopsy is going to add a data source. We are going to select a data source when a window pops up. So we just wait for it to show and we select the data source. So the data source is the particular drive that we are going to make the analysis from. But I would advise you in case of digital forensics that to make an analysis on suspect drive, you need to make a copy. You need to make the image file analysis. The, the suspect drive prevents loss of data. Yeah, prevents loss of data. But to keep safe the integrity of the data. Okay, so now we have the add data source dialog box open up. You can invoke this dialog box by clicking on add data source right here, top left of the screen with this TV plus button here. So you're going to go ahead and click on next. So, so at this point, in case we are going to make an analysis on a local hard disk drive, we select the local disk or we can choose to add logical files or even a text image, the file of the source that we are trying to analyze. So this I'm going to go ahead and choose the local disk. So with the local disk, and this is the drive that I'm going to analyze. So I click on next. So we are going to go ahead and select disk, the actual disk that we're going to analyze. So select this. So as I said earlier, if we don't run autopsy as an administrator, we're not going to have this like zero here. But in case we inspect an external drive, we're going to find it here without running it. But we access the local disk in the computer. We have to run autopsy as an administrator. So we have to select which drive, the main drive, which we are going to make the analysis on. So, okay, and go ahead and click on next. So here we have the ingest module. Ingest module are the ways and how autopsy is going to extract data from our drive. So autopsy can have access to our recent activities to perform on the drive, also extract data and group them in the file types. Yeah, and the extension, you can uh, autopsy can do a whole lot of things. The ingest module, whether there's a virtual machine or on the computer, you're going to have, and it's all, autopsy will be able to have access to your emails and your keywords. So this is your search history, your email addresses, and everything that has gone on this machine. So once you leave this selected and go ahead and click on it. So, so you can see that Autopsy is processing the data at our source, which is the local drive, our computer. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it to the actual place, the actual analysis after it's done. This will take very long time because since it's going to extract everything on our local drive. We have a lot of things. So it's going to take maybe an hour or two. So now we just have to wait to see what will happen. So I'm going to end my session here, and my colleague Desmond is going to. So Desmond is going to go ahead with the retrieving of the data, or yeah, with the retrieving of the data that autopsy analyzed or extracted from our local drive, and he's going to go through functions and features autopsy that we can use, and that will be it. Thank you.
So I'm Miss Anderson. So I'm here to continue from where my colleague ended. Ended at where the autopsy was trying to extract all the data from the local drive. We are trying to use the local drive. So it has been able to extract, and as you can see, it's still on the process of extracting, but because of time, I would like us to go through some questions. So you can see the data source. So you can see the physical drive, the host. So you can see all the drive. So physical drive is trying to load and pick on the information. So you can see the volume. So volume one, volume four, volume five, volume six, volume seven, volume eight, volume nine. Telling us unallowed. We didn't allow us unknown, unallowed, database, basic data. Mm. So this is the local data, basic data. We can see some of the files. Then we have the last one is that we downloaded exams, we have the windows, we have the user, we have all this. So if you want to fix go to them, have the file view where we can see the latest files, file types, we can come to file type, we can see by extension. items. If you can see executable documents, database, audio, video, and all those things you want to investigate, you can go to, or you can see deleted files. If you have about 10 files, 75,171, or you can go to the thing like that related, even I don't know the year or the day, but it's still if you want to go through and see some files, related files, or anything, investigate, you can come along and search wherever you want to do. If you want to extract the files, there's a way you can extract out the system for you to go through a deleted file, the system back, for you to go through or forever to gain your forensic evidence. We have the file type, the file sizes, all those. We have MB 500 megabytes. It contains 317,000. We have MB 100 megabytes, contains 200 to 1 gig megabyte. It contains what we say, yes, 1 gig plus contains 220 gigs. We have the data, we have the source, it's telling us bad item, zero, suspicious item, zero. I guess that's all it's been able to. I'm sure it's still extracting more, but more I guess. So, as I say, these are the target files. If you extracted related files, or if you can see onto the modified file, there are some of the files related back even for the back in the so majority of the files which were since machine was bought or so it's all of this. Let me try passing one file as this to appreciate the work of authors. So in case somebody has created a file or something and we need that file for forensic evidence, this authority to attract or retrieve that file back as we use it or to investigate. So for my PC, takes longer time. I'm extracting to to for the file name is Microsoft Microsoft Office #18.2524111 and 2. So not all these things, blah blah blah. And this is takes a lot of time before that. Don't know why I'm doing that. So I'll manage it. What I was saying, as we are waiting, or I'm saying someone maybe you are investigating somebody's machine. Is it power extracted? Right now I've extracted power. Let me look for now. Microsoft dot Outlook for Windows. You also extract that one. In case you need latest file, investigate, as I said, conversation from waiting. So these are asset information. Which is telling you what this one is working cannot be. So this one extract. It is fed. Since we have fed public different kinds of data, sent documents, title being all these things, wirelessness, all those things. So let's try and go. I started it to desktop. How this way then. We downloaded Microsoft. It is back. Another Microsoft Outlook window. As you can see, we've been able to attach this file back. So if in case you need any deleted file, use for forensic, use for forensic evidence, use Autopsy. You can go through all the doesn't have items. You can see modify time, change time, access time, reset time, and all those everything out of this. You can gain forensic evidence wherever the person, even if the person has deleted the file or whatever it is, can still get them. I think some of the latest files are now coming. So all these have been deleted. I'm sure the year 2004, 2024, yeah, 11, 2025, wow, 2024 has that been deleted. Still on, I can see some of the 2025 has that been deleted, or the still on the system. With the help of Autopsy, you can keep all of digital evidence. So for now, these are our digital experts or forensics experts have tried or gain evidence with autopsy. Yeah, autopsy. So we use Windows, yeah, to use autopsy to gain forensic uh, digital evidence or forensic evidence from this. So for my advice, you shouldn't even use the actual drive to gain the evidence. You use a copy of it instead of anything. Thank you very much.